guys, Ty the Gamer. I'm back on video. So today we're gonna try these fried pickles here from Kwik. They apparently just came back. Never tried them. Here's what they look like. I'm supposing these are gonna taste like fried pickles in the frozen food section. I could be wrong. Let's give them a try. They almost taste similar to like Buffalo Wild Wings fried pickles. They're very greasy. They're really good. Yeah, these are like really good. 10 out of 10. These are really great. So I'd recommend you try and get these. They're like really good. So comment down below on what your favorite fried pickles are. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.